If you have been looking in the mirror and focusing on stubborn dark spots, acne marks, or patches of uneven skin, you might think an expensive laser treatment is your only option. However, you can address hyperpigmentation at home. Today, we are establishing a simple 4-step morning routine using an affordable vitamin C serum. To begin, you will need 4 specific items: a gentle cleanser, your vitamin C serum, a daily moisturizer, and a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Owning the right products is only the first step. The order in which you apply them determines whether the active ingredients can actually reach the layers of the skin where they are needed. Check your serum label for a concentration between 10% and 20%. Specifically, you are looking for vitamin C in the form of L-ascorbic acid. The packaging is also important. The bottle should be dark or opaque, as light and air cause these active ingredients to degrade and lose their potency. Because the formula is sensitive, you should perform a visual quality check before every application to ensure the serum has not oxidized. Active serum should be clear or a very light yellow. If it has turned dark orange or brown, it has oxidized and should be replaced. Before applying a new serum to your entire face, a 24-hour patch test is required to ensure your skin tolerates the concentration. Apply a single drop to the inside of your forearm or behind your ear. If your skin shows no signs of irritation after 24 hours, you can proceed with the full routine. Verifying the chemical integrity of the serum and your skin's compatibility helps you avoid unnecessary irritation or setbacks. Step 1. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove oils from the night, then pat the skin completely dry. Next, dispense 2 to 3 drops of the vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. Massage the liquid over your entire face, focusing on the specific areas where dark spots or uneven tones are most visible. If you have sensitive skin, apply the serum every other morning for the first week to allow your skin to adjust. You must wait for the serum to absorb. Give the formula a 60-second window before moving to the next step to ensure it has settled into the skin. Once that minute has passed, apply your daily moisturizer directly over the serum to maintain the skin's moisture barrier. This specific sequence, cleanse, treat, wait, and moisturize, allows for maximum absorption of the antioxidants. The final step of the morning is the application of a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Ultraviolet light penetrates the skin and signals cells called melanocytes to overproduce melanin. This process is what creates and darkens hyperpigmentation. Sunscreen provides a physical or chemical barrier that reflects or absorbs these rays, slowing down the production of new melanin. If you skip this step, the sun will continue to stimulate those cells, offsetting the fading progress the vitamin C is attempting to make. After you finish, tighten the cap of your serum securely and store the bottle in a cool, dark place to maintain its effectiveness for as long as possible. While the serum addresses existing pigmentation, daily sun protection and proper storage are the habits that sustain your results. Your 4-step morning routine is now established and ready for daily execution. Before starting, stand in natural lighting and take a clear before photo to use as a baseline for your progress. Because the skin renews itself in cycles, most people begin to see a brighter complexion within 3 to 8 weeks of consistent use. By comparing your baseline photo to your skin every few weeks, you will be able to track the gradual improvements in tone and clarity. You can support these results by wearing wide-brim hats and avoiding the urge to pick at blemishes. If you notice spots that are bleeding or changing shape rapidly, consult a dermatologist. The path to an even complexion relies on the compounding effect of consistent, scientifically backed daily habits.